The following is a tutorial for a free program you can use with your students for projects or you for presentations you wish to create for your classes. You can even use it to create easy-to-make family photo videos complete with music. To find the program, go to Google and type in Photo Story 3 in the search bar. The first entry that should come up should be Microsoft Photo Story 3. Click on this and you should get to where you can download the program. When you get to the program page, you can read more about how and what the program does. When you're ready, go to the area where it says to download. Click on the arrow and you should be able to get started. You may have to go through a Windows authenticity check before it will let you download. Simply just follow the directions until you get the program downloaded and then open it up on your computer. Once you have downloaded and opened the program, you will get to the opening screen. This program is very easy to use. You simply go through the process clicking the next button to create your video. First thing you will do is to add the photos you want to put in your video. Before you started using the program, your students or you should place all the photos you want to use in a folder. This could mean that you would gather them from a source such as Google Images or use photos you took yourself with a digital camera. Simply click on the Import Pictures button and then go to the destination on your computer where you have stored your photos. To select all the photos at one time, click on the first photo in your list, then hold down the Shift key and then click on the last photo. This should allow you to choose all the photos at one time. When selected, just click OK and it will load all of your photos. You should now see the screen with a track with all of your photos down at the bottom and the first photo showing large on your screen. By selecting a photo at the bottom, you would see that photo in the viewer. If you want to change the order of the way your photos are presented, first click on the photo you want to move. Then with your mouse, still press drag it to the new location and let it go. It will move the photo into its new slot. You can rearrange your photos any way that you think would best be for your presentation. Sometimes you will want to have the program resize your photos automatically to fit on the screen. If you want to adjust all of your photos, you will be able to do that, or you can adjust them individually. To adjust them all at once, click on Yes to All, or if you want to adjust a particular photo, you should be able to go to it. On the left-hand side, you can use the boxes on the outer edges to pull your photo to whatever size you want, and on the right, it will show you how it will look on the screen. When you are done, close out of this window, and you will go back to the original screen. The next thing you can do, if you wish, is to add text to images. This is not necessary if you just want to have a photo montage with music, but it is very nice if you would like to have extra added words on your screen. On the photo you want text, just type in what you want to say. It should appear on the photo viewer. Often text will not be able to be seen as it will be the wrong size, font, or color. You will be able to adjust these things by clicking on Edit. You can then choose any font you have on your computer, also a size, a style, and a color. You can also then position the text where you want it on the screen. It often looks best along the bottom. Once done, you'll be able to view how it all will appear on your video. One very neat feature with Photo Story 3 is that you can also record a narration for the video. You can type in script in the box to read from. You will have to have some sort of microphone attached to your computer to do the recording. Once ready, just click the red button and record. If you need to re-record, you can edit the recording as many times as necessary and preview your work. After you have the narration done, you can also add a musical track. You can add music you already have stored on your computer, or you can have the program create a unique track. This is good if you need to publish it outside the school to prevent copyright infringement. In the music section, you have a lot of variety of different MIDI styles and tunes that can add background to your video. You can preview them as you make changes till you get the right mood for your piece. Once you have added the track, you will see it at the bottom. If you choose their music, it will automatically go the length of your project. If you add your own, you may need to adjust. Once your video is completed, you can preview it all to see how it looks and sounds. Just press the preview button on your screen. The preview will show you the full video in a small screen version. If you want to go back and edit on an element, you can. Final step is to render your video for screening large on your computer. With additional software, you can also create a DVD version to show on standard DVD players. The possibilities for use in the classroom are endless. This would work well for group projects instead of PowerPoints, or for just creating instructional videos for your curriculum. This presentation itself was done using this program and a digital camera. If you have other questions about how to use the program or how you might organize it for use in your classroom, please come see me. I hope that this has been instructional to you and that you will start using Photo Story 3 in your classroom. Thank you.